I'm going to throw a pot and show you how I make a scalloped edge. I just picture this being perfect for like chicken salad or something. All right, so I've got my lump of clay on here, and I'm going to start my wheel. Oh man, I mentioned chicken salad. Now I'm hungry. That's all right. I grew up on a dairy farm, and we used to raise our own chickens. We never liked the chickens. They were so messy. But it was kind of fun when it came time to butcher them, if that doesn't sound too gross. We loved being able to go catch them and bring them to my mom, who would cut the heads off, and we would let them go, and they would bounce all over the place. It was crazy. And their voice box was still inside them. Their head was gone, but we would hear the sound that they would make while their bodies were bouncing all over. Sorry, I went to a dark place. I'm going to come back now. All right, I'm opening up the pot. And when you are done opening it up, it's good to squeeze that water out so that the water doesn't seep through to the bottom. I'm going to slow my wheel down. We'll pull this up a little bit. There we go. I'll make it taller. It's always good to make a volcano shape. Even when you're making a bowl, you want it to come up and in a little bit. You're going to get your height way easier if you come up and in. If you start widening right away, you're going to have a much harder time getting any more height. So whenever I make a bowl, I always like to get more height than I need. Round that lip off nicely. And now this is plenty of height for a bowl. And then I'm going to start to widen it up. So now my inside fingers, my left fingers, can start pushing out the side, stretching that into more of a bowl shape. I left a lot of clay. I don't know if you noticed this, but there was a lot of thickness up here at the lip. I did that on purpose because I'm going to stretch the lip nice and wide. That'll take away some of that excess thickness. A little bit more. My left fingers are applying slight pressure, bringing this out. I always look at the outside while I'm doing this so that I can see what it looks like. That's pretty. Yeah. Well, that's nice. Okay, I like that. Get all that water out. Get everything off at the base. I'm going to clean my hands off a little bit. And what I want to do is scallop the edge. So I'm going to take 2 fingers of my left hand and brace the clay, but use the finger of my right hand to pull the clay out. And I'm going to continue to do that as I spin the bowl around, scalloping the edge. There. Sometimes I have to like fine tune it where I didn't pull it out enough. There we go. So as this dries, I can take a sponge, a squeezed out sponge, and smooth those ripples out like I did on this one. Just clean it up so that it's completely bump free and organic looking. Thanks for watching.